Hi everyone, my name is Paul. I'm in charge of the international sales for the company called Visualeader. And now I'm going to introduce you two of the products that we bring over to the show, which we want to promote this year. On my right hand, this is is our T series. The one we're looking at is a 3.9 outdoor rental. People are using this type of product for the production works, for the professional rental works. And in this series, we have like 2.8, 3.9, and 4.8, several pitches available. Right now, this one is the M series. We are promoting this because this product is being used for the outdoor commercial billboards and signages, and we have a great IP rating on this product from the front and the rear. And also, what's great about this product is that we don't use the traditional cabinet design, but instead we are using the mounting bracket materials. That's the way better for the lower weight for the customers to use. Our website is www.visualeader.com, and welcome to visit us at InfoComm 2019. Thank you.